YouTube, do this. Since my cylinders have a fresh hone on them, it's really important to get these super clean. The way I get these clean is get some soap and hot water and a rag and then wash the cylinders out real good. Then I put some WD-40 on them to make sure that they don't rust. After that, I get a paper towel and wipe real good the cylinders with the WD-40 on it. You'll see even more dirt will come off. Then they can be installed. I'm going to start with the rear. So it's important to get WD-40 on it as soon as you're done. That way it don't get any surface rust on it. Just like give it a good wipe down with the WD-40 on a rag. Make sure you get the alignment dowels because they're steel. Also the top of the cylinder here. The outside of the cylinder down here. Hot water and dish soap to clean it. And now this is what I do. Put some WD on a paper towel and give it a wipe. And you can see there's still a little dirt that comes off. You want to keep wiping until you don't get any dirt. You also want to make sure that you wipe the head gasket surface real good and the base gasket surface real good. Any dirt on those will either be a leak or a blown gasket. I want to give it a wipe with a razor blade, being careful not to dig in. Same with the bottom. It's very important not to dig into this surface. It's important to clean these surfaces with a razor blade and not to dig in. Don't use any kind of powered tool where it has like a biscuit on it that cleans this surface, because it'll never be flat again and it'll never seal again. That's extremely important. Again, clean rag and do it again. You can see this time it comes up clean. I'm going to show a lot of this video because it's important. There you can see it's clean. Now I'll go on to the front cylinder and I'll do that off camera. Okay, my YouTube people, this is me putting my cylinders on my Evo on my 97 bad boy. You can see all the rings are on and the gaps are in the right position. First thing I like to do is put a little coating of oil on everything. The oil that you're using is not overly important, as long as you're using a quality motor oil. Just want to make sure you get it on all the rings and the piston skirt, just so it's not going on dry. Now I like to have the piston down from the top of the cylinder a little bit. Next thing I do is put a little film of oil on the cylinders, even though they have WD-40 already on them, but I don't put much on here. This is the ring compressor I always use. I just take it, slip it down over the piston, kind of get it level with the top of the piston, maybe down a little bit from it, and then you just tighten it up as much as you can. The other important thing before you put the cylinder on is you want to definitely make sure that you have your base gasket on. And mine's there. If you don't check for the base gasket, you'll be doing it twice. Now I just take the cylinder. Take it this way. Now I just take the cylinder and slip it over it. Start the piston on it. Now I raise this piston up a little bit. Once I get it up a little bit like that, put some rags down here to stop it from going back in. Now I just give it a little wiggle. Start the piston in. Give it a little wiggle. And then that's it. It's on there. Now you can take the clamp off. And to get it out, you have to bring it up all the way. Push the cylinder a little further on, and once you get it down here below the piston, it slips right out like that. And there you have it. That's how you get the cylinders on, real nice and easy. Now I always just give them a little bit of a wiggle to get them down the rest of the way. Like that. Now you want to get the rags out of here. Again, you can see my base gasket clearly. And there it is all the way down. And now I'll do the front cylinder off camera. So there's both cylinders on, just like they're supposed to be. Now, to get the heads ready and have them installed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Helps my channel and it doesn't cost you anything. Why wouldn't you hit that like button and subscribe?